Okay, good afternoon to second year chemistry students. Now let us discuss about properties of ammonia. Ammonia means NH3. Physical properties. Now let us discuss about physical properties of ammonia. Ammonia is a colorless gas with a characteristic pungent smell. That smell is called ammonical smell. Ammonia is lighter than air. That means it is lighter than air. Next, third property is it is highly soluble in water, and its solution is basic in nature due to the formation of OH minus ions. That means ammonia gas is highly soluble in water due to the formation of hydrogen bonds. It is a associated molecule, therefore it is easily soluble in water. That means one part of water soluble 1000 parts of ammonia. Therefore, ammonia soluble in water and its solution is basic in nature because due to the formation of OH minus ions. NH3 gas plus H2O liquid gives rise to NH4 plus OH minus, that is ammonium hydroxide. Ammonia gas is highly soluble in gas. Therefore, its aqueous solution turns red litmus paper to blue color. It indicates ammonia exhibit weakly basic character. The basic character of ammonia is due to the formation of OH minus in aqueous solution. That means NH3 plus H2O gives rise to NH4 plus OH minus ions. Due to the formation of OH minus ions in aqueous solutions, ammonia behave as a weak base. Being basic, ammonia forms salts with both weak and strong acids, such as it forms ammonium chloride, ammonium sulfate, ammonium carbonate. That means ammonia exhibit weakly basic nature. Therefore, it reacts with weak acids as well as strong acids to give the formation of salts. Ammonia reacts with hydrochloric acid. It forms ammonium chloride. The reaction is NH3 plus HCl. NH3 plus HCl. It gives rise to 2NH4Cl. NH4Cl. NH3 plus HCl gives rise to NH4Cl. That means ammonium chloride. Ammonia reacts with sulfuric acid. Strong acid sulfuric acid. It forms ammonium sulfate. The reaction is 2NH3 plus H2SO4 gives rise to NH4 twice SO4. That means ammonium sulfate is formed when ammonia react with sulfuric acid. And also ammonia behave as a Lewis base because due to the presence of extra lone pair of electron present on nitrogen, therefore it exhibit complexes with metals. That means it is ammonia to exhibit tendency to form complexes. Ammonia act as a Lewis base due to the presence of lone pair of electrons on the nitrogen atom. Therefore, it can form coordinate covalent bond with a number of transition metal cations like Ag plus, Cu2 plus, Zn2 plus, forming complex compounds. For example, silver ion react with ammonia, it forms diammonium silver ion. That means Ag plus 2NH3 gives rise to AgNH3 twice. It is a complex compound formation. That means ammonia donate one lone pair of electron to silver ion. It forms coordinate covalent bond to form coordination complexes. Ag plus 2NH3 gives rise to AgNH3 twice square bracket plus. And ammonia react with cupric ion, that means Cu2 plus ion. It forms another complex ion, that means tetraimine copper 2 ion. Tetraimine copper 2 complex ion. Cu2 plus 4 NH3. Cu2 plus 4 NH3 gives rise to Cu NH3 4 times square bracket 2 plus. Since ammonia forms complexes with transition metal ions. For example, when ammonia gas, because ammonia gas is highly soluble in water, it reacts with, that means ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide react with zinc sulfate. Ammonium hydroxide react with silver chloride to form colorless complex. That means since ammonia forms complexes, the white precipitate of silver chloride dissolves in excess of ammonium hydroxide to form soluble complex. That means silver chloride having white precipitate. When ammonium hydroxide react with silver chloride, it forms colorless complex. That means AgCl plus 2NH4OH. AgCl plus 2NH4OH. AgCl it is white precipitate. AgCl it is solid state. It is present in white precipitate. White precipitate of silver chloride react with ammonium hydroxide. It forms colorless complex. That means AgNH3 twice Cl plus 2H2O. That means diamine silver 1 chloride. The complex is formed. Similarly, copper sulfate dissolves in excess of ammonium hydroxide to form deep blue colored complex. That means copper sulfate actually light blue in color. Copper sulfate react with ammonium hydroxide. It forms a complex. That means tetraamine copper to sulfate. It is present in deep blue in color. CuSO4 plus 4 NH4OH. CuSO4 plus 4 NH4OH. It gives Cu NH3 4 times square bracket SO4 plus 4H2O. The complex name is tetraamine copper to sulfate. It is deep blue in color. That means ammonia act as a ligand. It donate a electron pair to transition metal ion. That means copper 2 plus ion. It forms a complex compound. The complex compound name is tetraamine copper to sulfate. It is deep blue in color. It also react with, that means ammonium hydroxide react with zinc sulfate to form white precipitate zinc hydroxide. That means ZnSO4 plus 2NH4OH. ZnSO4 plus 2NH4OH gives rise to ZnOH twice plus NH4 twice SO4. ZnOH twice means it is zinc hydroxide white precipitate. It is appeared in white precipitate. That means ammonium hydroxide react with zinc sulfate to form white precipitate of zinc hydroxide. That reaction is ZnSO4 plus 2NH4OH gives rise to ZnOH twice plus NH4 twice SO4. Again, action with halogens. Chlorine react with ammonia in two ways depending upon whether ammonia is in excess or chlorine is in excess. That means ammonia taken in excess, it forms ammonium chloride and nitrogen. That means that reaction is 8 NH3 plus 3 Cl2 gives rise to 6 NH4Cl. 6 NH4Cl plus nitrogen. When ammonia taken in large excess, it forms ammonium chloride and nitrogen. Another second case is chlorine taken in excess quantity, it forms nitrogen trichloride and hydrochloric acid. Nitrogen trichloride, it is explosive liquid. That means NH3 plus 3Cl2 gives rise to NCl3 plus 3HCl. These are the chemical properties of ammonia. Now let us discuss about structure of ammonia. Ammonia is expected to have a tetrahedral geometry because the central nitrogen atom involves sp3 hybridization. But actually bond angle is 104 degrees 28 minutes. But ammonia has a pyramidal structure. Bond angle is 107 degrees 8 minutes. because it has one position occupied by a lone pair of electron. Therefore, the lone pair distorts its geometry and the molecule has pyramidal geometry with nitrogen atom at the apex. That means due to the presence of one lone pair of electron present on nitrogen atom, it behaves as a Lewis base. It donates one lone pair of electron, therefore it is known as a Lewis base. Therefore, the geometry of ammonia changes to pyramidal shape. The bond angle between nitrogen and nitrogen is 107 degrees, 107.8 degrees, 107.8 degrees. The bond length between nitrogen and nitrogen is 101.7 picometers. Therefore, geometry of ammonia is pyramidal shape. Nitrogen atom undergo sp3 hybridization. But in ammonia molecule there are three bond pairs, one lone pair of electron present on nitrogen atom. This is the diagram of ammonia structure. See the ammonia structure. Okay.